Hello, and welcome back to The Right Way with Josette Hall. On today, we will discuss the Fanboys. To refresh your memory, Fanboys is a mnemonic for the 7 coordinating conjunctions. A mnemonic is a method of remembering something. Also, coordinating conjunctions connect words and phrases together within a sentence. These are the fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Use for to indicate because, and to add something, nor to indicate something is not, but, however, or either, yet, but. So means therefore. These are the fanboys and their meanings. There are 2 rules that you should remember when using fanboys. Number 1, do not use a comma with coordinating conjunctions when joining only 2 items. For example, Hunter is always cool and calm. See how and connects cool and calm? You do not need a comma when only connecting 2 words. Number 2, do use a comma with coordinating junctions when joining independent clauses. Remember, an independent clause is a phrase that can stand alone as a complete sentence. When you're joining 2 together with a fanboy, you will need a comma. For example, traveling is very enjoyable, but it can also be tiring. Traveling is very enjoyable is a complete statement. It can also be tiring is also a complete statement, but they are similar about the same topic, so you can join them together and make one sentence using a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Pause for a moment. Let's review. Can you recall the fanboys? When do you use a comma with the coordinating conjunction? Practice writing a sentence for each of the fanboys. When you're done, go back and check your work. This has been another segment of The Right Way with Josette Hall. Thank you. See you next time.